Bye.
Bangladesh.
Yes. Hi everyone, once again it's me, Kausar Ahmed, and I'm originally from Narsangli, but right now I'm actually living in Busan because I'm studying here. But today I'm gonna show you a special place that's called Naru Park, like which is situated in Sainam City. But I'm exactly in Sainam City right now. As you can see that there are a lot of vehicles so right now I'm actually like it's a hub, so I'm waiting to go over there. So yeah, whenever I'll get the green signal, then I'll be able to go there. Otherwise I won't to be like right now over there is red signal, so it means that I can't go over there. So that's the reason I'm actually waiting. So yeah, and as you can see, like behind me there is a couple, so it's actually seen a lot. So I'm actually passing the crossroad. So and it's how can I say that in Korea, like people they actually follow traffic rules, and that's the main reason that there aren't actually a lot of accidents. So perhaps I've come because it's a park. A lot of people from Bangladesh, to be honest, not only from Bangladesh but also from other countries, they are actually enthusiastic to come South Korea. So like after coming South Korea, I actually visualized that why a lot of people they are really interested to come in this nation. So whatever I actually found from my observation, like these are South Korea is one of the safest countries in the world, and other facilities like transportation, in addition food, accommodation, these are really reasonable. So these are the reasons that why people like South Korea a lot. So the weather today, it's kind of sunny, but here there aren't actually a lot of people right now. The day before today, like a previous day, I was over there, and last day I was thinking to come here. Due to lack of time, I just changed my mind that no, not today, I'll go tomorrow. So as I actually thought about it, that I would go here the following day. So because of that reason I'm here today, and the weather isn't actually suitable, I guess, because as you can see that it's kind of sunny, and even though today is actually weekend, it's a Saturday here, but there aren't actually a great amount of the people. So there are few people. So there is a family, like the girl over there. She has two kids. One is here, another is over there, and there is another girl. Maybe she's scrolling the Facebook or Insta. I don't know exactly. That's my thinking. And that's the park. That's another park that's called Saint Marina Park. So I'll go there a few minutes later. So it's a speedboat, maybe. There's a party boat. Maybe I'm not actually allowed to go there. So over there is a kid. Hello. What's your name? As you can see, they're really cute. Bye bye. So yeah, like in Korea, the children, they actually follow their parents, and whatever their parents say to them, they're so strict on that. So there are a few senior citizens, so I'll try to talk to them. What they say about Bangladesh. Hello, sir. So I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know where is Bangladesh? Bangladesh.
Bangladesh?
Yes.
Okay.
Bangladesh, you know? Bangladesh, like, did you go to Bangladesh before?
방글에서 어제 왔는데.
Can you speak in English? No English? Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Okay. So, I actually asked them whether they know about Bangladesh or not. They told me that they've heard about Bangladesh, but they didn't go over there. And whatever they actually said in Korean language to me, I didn't actually catch. Stop. Saint Marina Park. Over there, I have there's a store, and it's a coffee and snack. Like I actually prefer to visit like park or lake, mountain, sea beach. But why? Frankly speaking, whenever I was in Bangladesh, like once upon a time, I actually used to live in like town area, and that's called Norshingdi. By the way, I'm a student of Norshingdi Government College. Oh, there's a football, so let's try. So I tried to see. Oh, nice.